That's how you know you're doing it right? So what I did at 5 a.m., I came downstairs and I started my fire and set up my charcoal in here. So the charcoal, you'll notice that I put it out on the sides. The reason why I did that is because the camera's still crooked. I gotta get a new stand. The reason I did that is because you put the hot charcoal in the middle and it kind of burns building out. So that's how you do that. Ooh, that's a lot of smoke. You don't burn all the charcoal out at the same time. It makes the fire last longer. Your heat stays at about an even temperature the whole time. And this thing here is a chimney. I think that's what it's called. And the reason why you do this is to get the to build your fire here. That way, when you put it in the smoker, it's already hot. You're not building a fire directly in the smoker. All right. So I'm going to let that go until the top charcoal are red, and that's when I know that it's time to take this very carefully and throw it onto the smoker. So now I'm going to go prep my meat. That's a lot of smoke. Oh, straight to the neighbor's yard. They're gonna love me. Good morning. A heat probe from meter. Alright, the water acts as a heat sink, basically making sure that you have fairly consistent temperature. Alright, that's that. Make sure that my vent here is open fully, and my vent's down at the bottom. Get some wood. Cherry and apple today. No reason other than that's just what I have. There's my butt. Alright, the temperature's at 225. Just gonna put my butt on there. And again, you might be watching this going, he doesn't know what the hell he's doing. I don't care. I don't give a shit. It works. Can't overthink these things. That's a nice butt. Ooh. Apple juice, apple cider vinegar. All right, it's 225. 225 to 250 is all good. So, underneath the mister, what the apple juice does, it keeps the meat cool. And the longer your meat is cool, the more smoke it can take in and give you that nice smoke ring. So your goal is actually to keep it at a temperature where the water vapors haven't evaporated fully. Because once the water evaporates, then smoke doesn't really kind of get into your meat anymore. That's it. It's 5:30. I'm right on time. Whew, that's a busy 30 minutes. The goal here is to keep the meat cool. So I have to come down. I have to spray it about every 15 minutes. And I'm going to keep an eye on it, make sure that it stays between 225 and 250. And I expect the cook time for an 8-pound butt to take about 12 hours. So, and then it gets to sit for an hour, approximately. That's it. That's how you prep a butt. And I'll keep you posted. All right, it's going well. Temperature is currently at 59 degrees, right on time. Temperature's still at 250, looking good. This final spray. All right. So that's all good. All right, let's go see how things are going. That looks good. back up for a bit. Take this. Get it all in there. Like everything else, don't be over precious with this stuff. Honestly, this is what cavemen used to do. And I assure you, cavemen didn't go to culinary school. What is that saying? All right. That's going to cook for another 5-6 hours, hopefully. Just got to keep an eye on the temperature. There's nothing else to really do. The temperature has to be at about 250. And yeah, that's it. The probes help. Well, now people used to do this without probes, but probes help. That's it. Okay. Let's get that on there. And move that over. All right, this thing is done. Oh, it feels so soft. Perfect. Remember, I put this on at 5:30, so it's been 11 and a half hours. All right, it's been sitting for 11 and a half hours. Now it's gonna sit for an hour and a half. It's 5 o'clock. Gonna eat at 6:30, and that's it. And I made some Portuguese bread earlier, so we will have this with some Portuguese bread loaves, and that'll be awesome. Hopefully, that's it.
Cutting in thirds so we can freeze portions.
People on the internet going, what the f is she doing?
So we're not eating the whole thing. Look at that.
Told you.
Okay.
I don't know why you thought this would hold together.
Because it doesn't. I usually just put it in there like that.
That's not how science works.
I understand that. This is what I usually do. Usually sure your audience knows I'm not done yet. Ready?
Mm-hmm.
Now we pull it.
All right, this work's all done.
Yum, yum, yum. Bon appetit. As Julie would say. Although I don't think she did barbecue.
I don't think she did.
Okay, all done. Ready?
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
Let's go eat.
Talk about my french fries.
Homemade chips. So good.